Are you searching for the best elevated dog feeder? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best elevated dog feeder. We recommended the top 4 best elevated dog feeder in this video. All of them are mentioning quality. If you want to buy the best elevated dog feeder, we think this list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Irish USA Elevated Feeder. This storage compartment features an airtight steel, so food stays fresh and dry inside. Come with 2 stainless steel feeding bowls. Feeding bowls have a 2-quart capacity. Storage space can be hold up to 64 cups of kibble. This Irish airtight elevated storage feeder is the perfect option for the pets' parents who live in small homes or apartments. Additionally, because the storage compartment is glowing, you can see how much food is left at a glance. Especially mischievous dog may be tempted to chew through the storage box in the effort to get onto the highly visible food. Number 2. Platinum Pets Modern Double Dinner Feeder. These bowls are dishwasher safe and both the bowls and stand are cheap, rust and fade resistance. The stand steel is black but the 80-ounce steel bowls come into a rainbow of colors. While the stand has a delicate experience, it's quite steady and won't fall over. Rubber covers on the top feet help to protect the floor and keep it anchored in the place, while a rubber grip around the bowls prevents it from rattling and making noise as dogs eat and drink. Number 3. Our Pet Comfort Dinner Elevated Dog Food Dish. This elevated dog bowl from Our Pets has 2 removable stainless steel bowls that are easy to clean. That way you are able to take them out, clean them and feed your dog without having to move the entire feeder. This feeder comes in 3 sizes, the 4 inches for a smaller dog, the 8 inches for medium dogs and the 12 inches for larger dog. These bowls are also dishwasher safe, which is good for keeping them clean and removing any germs. This is great that when you are going for slightly extended period or warmer days, or you have a dog who is a constantly water drinker, it is built to skid across the top and floor over so you can make sure their food and water stay in place. Number 4. Our Pets Elevated Bone Feeder Raised Dog Bowls. This stand is made of durable plastic so you can wipe it clean every day to make sure bacteria do not grow. And the bowls are more stainless steels. The curves of each of these 4 legs make it very stable and steady on the floor. Coming in the 4 different heights of 4 inches, 8 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches, these elevated dog bowls are extremely practical. Such a wide range of incremental heights allows dog owners to pick the most educated size of their particular dog. Most raised food bowls are generally available in short and tall version, without much choice beside these 2. Our Pets is here to provide a variety of heights while those selling a very well designed product. At a first glance, it looks like a average-raised feeding station for dogs. It is black, it has a simple design and the time of writing, it does not have much of description on e-commerce website. However, read the feedbacks and you grasp the main point. It actually is a sleek, non-slippery, easy to clean feeding station for dogs of all sizes.